Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to be unboxing my monthly knit crate box. I don't know what's in here because I did choose the option to have random boxes sent to me. So they do have themes that you can choose from, but I just chose the option to send me whatever. So I'm not going to be keeping this box. I'm going to be hosting a giveaway over on my Instagram, so head on over there at Designs by Phanessa and give me a follow so you don't miss out on the giveaway. All right, let's get started. Okay, we've got 2 hanks of this yarn here. It's Haze, and the color is Dusk. It is superwash merino, mohair, and silk. All right, so we have 2 of these. We've got these cute tags, so you can place these tags on your garments and your handmade items. I like this one. This took forever to make. Don't ruin it. We can all relate to that, right? And they have a book of patterns. So this is the membership yarn. So I received the Dusk color, and they have Lucid. I really like that. So this is one of the patterns that you can make with this yarn. So these are the 2 patterns that you can make with this yarn. This is crocheted, and that is a knit cabled hat. So there's the hat, and there's the snoot or cowl. Okay, leave a comment below. Let me know your thoughts on what's in this box. Okay, so don't forget to give me a follow over at Designs by Phanessa on my Instagram account and enter to win this box. All right, thank you so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.